In this video, we'll show you how to replace the weather stripping on your Ford F-150. This is located on the front door and on the outside of the glass. Let's get started. You're going to want to have your front window rolled down for this. Even though I'm using the trim tool, I'm still going to use a rag to make sure we don't damage any of this paneling. We're simply going to slip this in the backside. Now that we have the rear portion lifted up, we can continue lifting up towards the front. And then we can pull towards the back of the vehicle. And it comes off. To install our new weather stripping, it's just the reverse order of removing the old one. We can start by pushing down on the front and pushing it in behind the mirror. And then we'll start working our way to the back. You want to make sure that the tab on the back portion is lined up. You might want to run back and forth a few times, pushing down, make sure it's fully seated. Once it's fully seated, we can roll the window back up.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.